I'm going to get through a couple of examples, and then you have a Delta Math assignment this morning. So all we're doing is writing our equation in slope-intercept form, so y equals mx plus b. So when we have our line, we need to find our y-intercept and our slope, and then we can write it. So if I look at this, sometimes it's easier to find your y-intercept. And remember, your y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So we can see that it crosses right here, and that's at 1, positive 2. Here are my slope. Remember, that's our rise over our run. So I can go from this point to this point. I could go from this point to this point. It doesn't matter. I could go from this point to this one. So I'm going to find my rise over my run. So I'm going to go down -2 and run +1. So when you do that, you want to reduce it, and you'll write it as -2. So now you have all the information you need to write your equation. So y equals m, which is -2, x plus b, our b is +2, and that's your answer. Let's go down to the second one. So I find my y-intercept. It's right here. Remember, that's down 1, so that's at -1. My slope, I can go, make sure you go to points, so I can rise +1 and run +1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have my information. So y equals m, which m is 1/4 for us, x plus b, but our b is -1, -1. So we just write it -1. So you do have Delta Math, writing equations of lines. So short lesson today. We will Zoom one day this week, but I just wanted to get you guys something doing today. This will be due Thursday.